Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you'll enter to Google Drive. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Google Drive and you can update your app if you will find update in this plus sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.